Kumshibenta ban pensuk ikinong tri sorkar ke batri hamin secretariat but additional secretariat ke sorkar jela kala bo ke health clinic kerpang na kebenta jengki hamin tedu building additional secretariat. Yakni ke klinik lawan ban pli minta kesngi ke shitarik urempang arjar arpoar do menteri ketanat secretariat administration department uba Renikton lingdot harengkat kecingadon lang ki doktor bat ki he sorkar.
So that's why I take this as a gift, a golden jubilee gift to the staff of Meghalaya Secretariat working here in Meghalaya Secretariat, to all the officers, and let us take this clinic as our own. We want to see that this clinic will continue, will sustain, and we need to put our head together, to work together to ensure that this service that we are providing to the staff of Meghalaya Secretariat will sustain and will continue. Yes, as of now, we have one doctor, one pharmacy, and 2 nurses. And I wish all the staff who will work here, they will dedicate their service for the betterment of the people working in Meghalaya Secretariat. We know the fact that there are many aged staff working in Meghalaya Secretariat, because it is a normal practice to bring back from far away offices from the remote places in the state of Meghalaya. Before they retire, they should come and work here in Secretariat or in the capital. So we understand that there may times that aged people working in Meghalaya Secretariat, they need medical attention. And yes, not only aged staff, but everybody. We know that now there is no age bar for anybody who need medical attention. It is sad to note that there are times that people, they don't get medical attention on time, and when they reach the hospital, it's already too late. So that is very important. We hope that this clinic will provide us an immediate relief and immediate attention to ensure that the patient, when in need, it can be taken care and taken to the hospital that is needed to go. And it's very important to get a reference also from this clinic, because doctor will be there and they are the right person to refer in which hospital to go, and to get at the first meet with the patients, to come to know about the problem that the patient are facing.